Hey y'all, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make for you some French dip biscuits. But before we get to the recipe, I want to remind you that today we're going to be giving away this nice bamboo cutting board, and we're going to be giving one away for the next 2 weeks as well. So how you can enter is you need to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then you have to go in and watch a video and share it to your Facebook or Instagram and comment cutting board in the comment section. So again, subscribe to my YouTube channel, watch a video, and share it either to Instagram or Facebook and comment cutting board. That way you can have a chance to win. That's really a nice thing to have. So let's get on to the recipe. This is a great recipe if you like French dip. My husband absolutely loves French dip sandwiches, and it's one of those things that you can mix up pretty quick because it's very simple ingredients. If you're gonna have a football party, this would be a good addition to that. You can make them up and I think people would enjoy them. Or if you just wanna have a nice little sandwich for lunch, this is an easy thing that you can put together. So let me tell you what all goes in this. Now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna buy the 8 biscuits from your refrigerated department of your store. I use the larger buttermilk biscuits. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna split them in half. Then you're gonna have some horseradish sauce. And then I melted some butter. And then you're gonna have parsley that we're gonna put on after they come out of the oven. And then you're gonna buy thinly sliced roast beef from your deli or in your meat section at your grocery store. And then you're gonna do 8 slices of the provolone cheese because you're gonna put 1 slice per sandwich. So next we're gonna go ahead and show you how we start making them. Okay, y'all, you're gonna wanna go ahead and preheat your oven to 400 degrees while you're getting these French dip biscuits mixed up. So I'm gonna go ahead and start these. We're gonna go ahead and we split our biscuits in half. You wanna go ahead and get a cookie sheet prepared with parchment paper. That way these biscuits won't stick while they're in the oven baking. So we're just gonna take the prepared horseradish and you're gonna put it on both sides of the biscuit. Now this is one of those things that people either really like or don't like, so if you don't like a lot, just put a little bit on, or I guess you don't have to use it at all if you don't like it. So we'll do that. You're gonna put your piece of provolone on there, and then I'm gonna put 3 slices of the roast beef on each one of my sandwiches. And then you're gonna top it the other half of the biscuit, and then you're gonna kind of pinch the sides so while it's baking it's gonna stay inside of that. And then while you got this in the oven, you're just gonna take a pack of Au Jus Gravy mix that's already bought from the store and make it according to the packet. And then when they come out of the oven, you'll have your au jus ready to go and you can eat your sandwiches. So we're gonna continue on. Gonna horseradish on both sides. And put your meat and cheese and then close it up. But I'm gonna continue on doing these, and when we come back, I'm gonna show you how they look. Okay, y'all, as you can see, we've gotten our French dip biscuits out of the oven and they really smell wonderful. Now I'm gonna go ahead and top ours with some parsley flakes and some melted butter. And I've got our au jus sauce ready to go. And this is what we're having today for lunch. I hope that y'all enjoy this recipe. I did want to mention too, I did bake these in the oven for like 12 minutes. So you just need to keep an eye on your oven, depending on how quickly your oven cooks. But these were on ours and mine for 12 minutes. But anyway, I hope that y'all enjoy this. Hope you subscribe to my channel and click the bell for notifications of my upcoming videos. And I hope that y'all will follow me and look for the giveaways I've got coming up. And y'all have a great day. Thanks for watching.